it's getting a little bit dark out, but we're going to be strolling down this particular street right here. You can see all the beautiful colors, the black and white tiles. We're going to see more of that over there, following these big banyan trees. And let's put this up on the map so you can see exactly where we are in Macau, which is in Taipa village. So let's go check it out. Put this up on the map for you. Okay, we got another slice of Macau for you. Let's put this up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. Without further ado, let's just get right into it as if you're there yourself. Another slice of Macau. Let's do it. Okay, so we have this nice little square. This square kind of has a long name to it. It's named after a governor. You'll see the name over here too. But actually our street is a little bit representing this, but also a little bit more. It kind of overlaps. So basically this is let me tell you the name in a moment. There it is. Largo Governor Taminino Tembosa. So you can see the sign right there. But that's actually not the street that we're going to be filming. We're going to be filming this street up there. But it does have this little plaza right in here, including this nice restaurant, the beautiful blue. And you do have the Portuguese tiles as well. Let's kind of check out. We're going to go right up that street right there. Let me just take a look at some of this artwork. So that's one of the museum houses right there. This is the temple that's across the street. We'll show that to you in a second. This one is in Koloan. It's a church. There's some kind of artwork like that with some boats down that way because that's where the that's a statue that's up on top of a hill in Koloan as well. This is also in Koloan too. Most of these are Koloan references. Not all. This is right around the corner. These two are really close to us. But yeah, that's the Largo that we're not filming, but we are going to film straight ahead. Okay. So let's go check out more of this. We got this beautiful building right here. Nice colonial looking building. If we went down these alleys, there's quite a bit going on down in here. As you can see. So those are pretty interesting. It's maybe about a little labyrinth of different streets. Oh, it looks like the rain stopped. Okay. Kind of have a wide lens right now. There's our street, Correia de Silva. It's all lit up. Let's kind of walk over this way. Yeah, that's a nice building right there. So that's all part of our street as well. Let's see. That's kind of cool. You got some nice footage. So the other guy, he had a similar to my camera, but he was filming his wife. Or it's a nice view. The person came out of the beautiful architectural building. Okay, so we have a rainy evening, but all the lights are on, and it's going to be a lot busier up there, I believe. We will see 100% in a few minutes. Earlier it was very busy. Bra coffee. We're gonna just take a quick glance this way. Just gonna walk in briefly. I'm not so keen on this camera lens right now because it's too wide. But it does kind of capture a lot. So you have all this Macau scenes. Let me change the scene real quick. Okay, so I just changed it to a wide lens. So this is a little bit better, I think. So it captured this Macau references, all these alley stuff everywhere. There's a say hello, but I do know a couple people down there, but so we're gonna walk back up this way. Yeah, this camera lens is a lot better. Here's our street name, Correia de Silva. We're gonna walk across and Capture that on film. Right there. Correia de Silva. Okay. So yeah, here's a little, these little restaurants are, let me walk over there real quick. They kind of have nice looks to them. This one has a lot of different awards as well, iFit awards and such. Yeah, you can see the style. I forget what those are called. What's the name for those? That style. More alleys. These are always interesting. If you look down below, you can always see these little spaces where they have shrines. By the Taipa. It's a Portuguese restaurant up there. This is Travessa de Santa Gertrudes. Nice little alleys. Nice balconies. Okay, let's see what else is on our street here. Getting more and more people. Let's see. Then we have a nice little alley in here too. Very colorful. Then you have the Taipa Village logo. If we walk in, you'd see all kinds of interesting stuff in this little area. Let's walk in briefly. Usually I'll try to walk in and capture these angles because it is kind of pretty. This is Rua dos Bem Casados. And if we went in there, probably could walk in a little bit. Let's just walk in a little bit. All these beautiful colorful housing everywhere. Okay, so we're gonna keep on going down our target street. This is Rua dos Clérigos. But we're gonna be walking down Correia de Silva. These little alleys are kind of cool. Tapas de Portugal. So let's go on up. This building has these Portuguese tiles. That blue building, I think that blue building used to be called Goa Nights. So up on that balcony there used to be a restaurant called Goa Nights. Okay, let me go across here. This whole rock right here, one of my friends was always like, there's a giant rock in Taipa. I never really noticed it until he brought it up. Gelato, ice creams. Just kind of capture that rock. It's kind of cool rock. Somebody's in the way. So this street can be quite crowded, so a lot of the people that are walking down the sidewalk will often get in the way of the traffic. But it's because the crowds are quite thick sometimes. Just kind of capture all the buses kind of stuff. You can kind of capture some of this nice, beautiful architecture, the colors and such like that. I believe we're still in Correia de Silva, by the way. Some rain tonight. Let me just see what else. Here's an Umun store. Just kind of take a look. This one has like a downstairs as well. You can see both. Okay, so we're gonna keep on walking. And I think Correia de Silva is gonna come to an end up here. Here's Kosha. This is kind of a cool street right here. I've always liked this one. It's a really photogenic one, so it's a great one just to sit on these steps and get a nice photo. There's some of the artwork on the side. So yeah, pretty ideal. Okay, there's a bus stop right there. We're gonna keep on walking down. And we're still on Correia de Silva, so we're gonna be coming to an ending of this one. Lots of tourists here. They have all these pop-up stores as well. Tiger Sugar. And yeah, this beautiful mural as well. So basically that is actually our street. And then this goes up into some other cool stuff towards Carmel, overlooks the casinos, Ecological Park. There's a lookout way up at the top of the mountain up there as well. Then this is Kunigai, this kind of busy street right here. So that was our focus street down this way. And then at the end we have the Lunatic Fringe. They're gonna let us go across in a second. Then we can go across. So I can hear some Brazilian music down here. Hello. How you doing?
Welcome to Macau.
Thank you. Pretty cool. So I hear some Brazilian music in here. I think they had some events earlier. Lots of people everywhere. And our target street was Correia de Silva, so we're gonna walk back down that way. Then we have this Dragon's Gate right here. Let me just capture that real quick. So that's the Dragon's Head, and I think they call it like Dragon Park or something like that. You can see all the scales of the dragon all the way down. And this other street is Direita Carlos Eugenio, this one that we were on if we were to walk down that way. So that one would turn into a different street down that way. And that was ours. So another sight to Macau for you.
Oh, a Correia da Silva.